Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in the last session we have completed chapter number 7. So in the today's session I'm going to begin with the chapter number 8, that is working with the word. So in the last chapter we have discussed there are various types of word processor and one of them was MS Word. So in this chapter we are going to discuss in detail about the MS Word and its some features, basic features. Okay. So the first one is selecting text. So before selecting the text you must know that how to open a MS Word. So here with my screen I'm going to share with you all how you can open the MS Word in your desktop or in your laptop. So first of all, for that you have to go on the Windows screen. Okay, then go to the start menu that is given over here, click here, go to all programs, then go to accessories, then select Microsoft Office. Okay, now after opening Microsoft Office you can see there are several Microsoft softwares are here. So Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. These three are the very important one. So today's chapter we are going to begin with the Microsoft Word 2010. Now click here. The MS Word window will be opened in front of you. This is Microsoft Word. Okay. So this is how we open the document. Now so according to the book, so the first one is selecting a word. How you can select a word, then it was selecting a sentence and then selecting a paragraph or selecting any amount of text. So I'll show you everything on the screen. So I have already prepared a document, so you can see here. This is a document that is already मैंने already पहले से prepare किया हुआ है. Okay, so I'm showing this here something. So this is the paragraph that is written here on a story that is Thirsty Crow. So from this I'll show you that how you can select a word, how you can select a sentence, how you can select a paragraph, okay, or how you can select a certain range of words. So suppose you want to select the word drink that is given over here. So take your cursor on the word drink and make a double click. जैसे ही आप डबल क्लिक करोगे ड्रिंक के ऊपर अपना कर्सर रख के, the word will be selected. Similarly, if you want to select the word crow from here, then go to this, move your cursor to crow and make a double click. And double click karte, the crow word will be selected. So this is how we select the single word or or a text. Next is suppose you want to select the second entire line. Okay, आपको पूरी की पूरी second entire line you want to select it. So first of all you need to put your cursor here and as you make a left click here, so insertion point will be appearing. आपको पहले left click करना होगा and you will see this insertion point that is blinking over here. Now put your cursor here, press left on your mouse and scroll your mouse. Okay, scroll your mouse. So जहाँ तक आप इसको scroll करोगे that text will be selected. If you want to select the entire line, so the entire line will be selected. जहाँ तक अपना scroll करके लेके जाओगे, only those limited words will be selected. Okay, I'm showing you one more time. Okay, so now I'm showing you this one. Suppose you want to select the third sentence, so make a left click on the before the first or the initial letter of the sentence, that is picture. So P के आगे एक left click, then hold your left key on the mouse and start moving your cursor. Okay, so you can select it from the backward से भी कर सकते हो. Click here, make a left click and start moving your cursor. Okay, so this is how you can select an entire sentence or you can select a text. Suppose you want to select some lines of a paragraph. Similarly, again make a click, left click, hold the left button of the mouse and scroll whichever text you want to select. जहाँ जहाँ तक आप उसको नीचे जाते जाओगे, the word will be selected. So this is how you can select a paragraph. Okay, so this was given over here, how to select a word, selecting a sentence, selecting a paragraph and selecting any amount of text. Next is moving and copying text. How you can move and how you can copy the text. Again go to the word window. So this is a word document. Okay, and you can all can see I have already written a paragraph over here about the thirsty crow. So now you want to copy the text. Okay, suppose you want to copy second and the third line for one more time. Okay, again, so before copying or moving any text or any word, so first of all you have to select that word or sentence. Okay, to make a left click, okay, hold the left key on the keyboard, the mouse, and move the cursor. Now the cursor is selected. Go to home key and select copy. Okay, copy हो गया. Then wherever you want to paste, जहाँ भी आप उसको paste करना चाहते हो, go there, put your cursor there only, and click paste. And as you can see, that two sentences are pasted over here. Similarly, if you want to delete this line or this sentence, so whichever sentence you want to delete, make a left click in front of that word, then select the text by scrolling your cursor. Okay, now go to cut, and as you can see on the screen, the word is not there anymore. So this is how you can cut a particular text or a sentence. Okay, so this is known as copying and moving the text. So copying means making a duplicate and cut means to delete, okay, to erase it. That means cut. Okay, next, formatting text. How you can make changes in the text. Okay, so there are different ways of formatting the text. So first of all, read here. Formatting means making changes in the text or the document to make it more attractive and beautiful. You can format the text by modifying the font size and color, make it bold, italic, underline, and changing the alignments of the text. We can format our document mainly by using the font group and the paragraph group in the home tab. So how you can format the text. Again, moving to the same paragraph that is written over here. So how you can make changes in this paragraph. So first of and the foremost thing that you have to keep in your mind while making any formation. Okay, formatting means to make changes. Okay, आप उसको चाहते you want to represent it in a different way. So that means you are formatting the text. So how you can format the text? Okay, suppose you want to format the first sentence. So now first of all select again, and I hope everybody is aware that how you can select. So I have selected the first sentence, then go to home. The first is changing the font style. Okay, you can change the font style. So there are several font styles that are available over here. So you can select any one. So whichever font size you will select, okay, the selected word will be written in that manner only. जो भी आप font size select करोगे उसी manner में आपके जो words हैं, selected words हैं, they will be written in that manner. Okay, so these words I have selected. Okay, so you can see these words are written in this way. So this is known as this is known as changing the font style. Okay, so there are a number of font style here. Okay, so you can make any number of changes. Okay, so again, if you want to make some you want to change only particular word, select that word, go to font change, select it, and your word will be changed. Okay, so this is how you can change the font style. Okay, so this is how we can change the sentence, or you can even change some particular words from particular range of words. So suppose you want to select this, you want to change these three only. Select the word, go to the font change and change it accordingly, whatever method you want to change it into. This is how you can make the changes in the font size, style. Now if you want to change the font size, अब इसका size बड़ा छोटा करना चाहते हो, so first of all again you have to select the text. So I'm selecting these words. Now I want to increase and decrease its size. So whatever size you will choose, it will be changed into that one only. जो भी आप इसका size choose करोगे, that size will be increased and decreased accordingly. So now I'm using 36, and now as you can see, the words which I have selected, they are quite bigger than the other words that we have typed earlier. So this is how we can change the size of the font, right? Next is you can select it here from as well. Okay, suppose you want to select the size of these. Okay, again select it. Okay, then go to, okay, you can see I'm going here. If you want to increase their size, if you want to decrease their size, so this, the function of this and this is little bit same. Okay, you want to make these word bold, आप उसको bold करना चाहते हो, मोटा मोटा करना चाहते हो, so you can, after selecting the text, you can select, click on bold, then italic, that you want that all the words should be written in italic form. You want to underline, as you can see the words are now underlined. Again if you click on the underline, the line will be gone. Again you click on italic, then the word will be in their previous manner. Okay, so first of all, whichever word, whichever sentence you want to change, you have to change it accordingly. Okay, select the text, increase and decrease the size. Okay, next bold, italic, underline. Okay, so in the book it is given font button. This button is used for changing the type of the font in the text. Okay, जो भी type का आपको font change करना चाहते हो, you can change it. Second is font size. As I have already showed you, you can increase and decrease the size of the font according to your requirement. Okay, so click on the font size. So the size of the font ranges from 8 to 72. Okay, so 8 to 72. 8 is the minimum size of the text and 72 is the maximum size of the text. Bold button, this is used to make the text bold. Okay, the shortcut key for to make the text bold, that is Ctrl plus B. Next is italic button. This is used to change the text to italic form. Okay, you want to write the words in italic form, so you, for that you can select the word. Okay, then click on italic icon, or either you can press Ctrl plus I on your keyboard after selecting the text. So just make sure whenever you want to make the changes, first of all you have to select that particular text, word or sentence or paragraph. Next is underline. So click on this button to underline the text. If you want to underline some heading or some important points, so you can use this option that is known as underline button. Okay, so the shortcut key for underlining the underline button is Ctrl plus U. Okay, so you, after selecting the text, just click Ctrl plus U and your text will be changed, or so the underline will be there in the below of your text. Next is align left. This button is used to align the text to the left side. Okay, okay, so there are alignments. Okay, now I'm going to show you some alignments. Okay, go to Word document. So this was the Word document. Okay, so I'm selecting first 3 lines here. Okay, that is known as alignment. So I just want to write these words. Okay, so this is alignment. I want to shift these words to the center. Click here. आप देख रहे हो, all the words they came into the center. Okay, if you want to write all these words towards the left, then click here, that is left. So now you can see the sentence has moved to the left side. Similarly, if you want to keep them in the mid, all the words in the mid. And if you want to keep them on the left hand side, so it is there. Okay, so this is known as align. So this is exactly what is given over here. That is align left, align center, align right. Next is justify button. Click on this button to align the text both at left and the right margin. Control plus C. Justify means this one. Okay, so the text will be written equally on the left and the right side. This is the justify button. Next is numbering button. We can give numbers. Okay, we can bullets, we can highlight the color. Okay, so next is numbering and bullets. Okay, suppose you want to give numbering. Okay, so just make a click on the initial word. Okay, before the first letter, then go to this and you can select any font or any bullet you want. Okay, so जो भी bullets आप चाहते हो, you can select. You want another bullet on the second sentence. Okay, so this is basically used when we are using the point. Okay, when you are showing some important points, so at that time we use these bullets. Similarly, we use numbers. Okay, like this. So you can use Roman numeral, small, capital, ABC 1 and 2. Okay, so this is how you can give numbers to the particular text. Next is highlighting color. Okay, so if you want to highlight some words, suppose you want to highlight this one picture word. Okay, आप इस picture word को highlight करना चाहते हो. So first of all you have to select the text and then you can choose any color. Okay, so the numerous number of colors you can see over here. Okay, so whichever word you will select, okay, that word will be changed into that. So I have selected the orange. The rest of the words are in black, whereas the picture word is written in orange, because I have selected that particular word and changed its color. Clear? Next, font color, border. Okay, you want to give the border, click here. Again you want to give any border, so select the text first. Okay, then go to this and select the word accordingly. So you want to write them in the colored line, specially highlighted. Okay, so we are highlighting it. We are highlighting the sentence. So if you want to make you want to highlight some word or the text, you can use this option that is known as highlighting. Next is you want, okay, so what type of the font should be it. Okay, the colored, what is the color, what should be the box color, everything. Okay, so this is what is known as, just a minute, this is known as highlighting color. Okay, or font color. Okay, next is changing case. Okay, so if you want to change the case, so for that you have to click here. Okay, this is changing case. Okay, so you want to select, okay, go here, sentence case, select all. Okay, you want to change sentence case, click here. Okay, this is in the form of a sentence. Next is lowercase. Okay, so it is not getting changed here because this is already written in the form of a paragraph. So whenever the line is there, you can easily make the changes whatever you want accordingly. Okay, so this is, okay, alignment, that is left, middle, right and center. Okay, chaliye. So this was okay. After this, the next is indent. Okay, you want to give indent, left and right margin. okay, how you can give. Okay, this is okay, so this is from a today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.